What is going on, everybody? Today we have a fun video coming your way. So if you recall, about 9 months ago, my brother went and test drove a few different cars to determine if he wanted to replace his Toyota RAV4 with it. Well, in today's video, he actually makes that decision. So I take you through a lot of different dealerships, a lot of different makes that we went through, and the interior, exterior shots, test drives, everything. And then ultimately I reveal to you what car is going to be replacing his 2010 Toyota RAV4. So I hope you enjoyed today's clip. It's just going to be a video montage, and then the big reveal is at the end. So hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think.
Let's go.
So we did a lot of car shopping, and finally, after a few days, my brother George, for those of you who haven't met him, he decided the car he's going to get next. If you can't tell by the interior, it is the Infiniti Q50, and here's my brother George.
I just want to note I didn't give him permission to film me. He sprung his camera on me. I had no idea this was coming. I have not signed any waiver. So if you're watching this, my face better be pixelated out.
It won't be. It'll actually be blasted on full screen. But this is the Q50, and I'll show some clips after this clip to show you what it looks like. But it is a beautiful car. I mean, we looked at a ton of different automobiles, and what do you think of it?
It's great. No, it's a fantastic vehicle. For one, though, the horsepower is fantastic for the price I'm paying.
It's got a little bit over, I think, 300 or maybe 300 flat.
Yeah. And it comes in under what a BMW would, what a Mercedes would, but with, I think, a lot better features. I also test drove the Jag, which was a royal disappointment, because I always liked Jag's exteriors, but the interior was just garbage. I mean, the interior had absolutely no real features. This has dual screens. The interior there only had a small screen, smaller than this, and everything was plastic. Everything was very cheap. In here, you can tell there's a lot of quality. There's wood trim, there's leather at every point. There's nowhere where I touch where I feel like they skimped out or they cheaped out on anything. You can see that they put quality at every single point in this car. And that was unlike any other car that I test drove. And I test drove a lot. I looked at a lot of different cars, a lot of different models, everything from Mazdas to Kias up to the Jag and to this Infiniti. I think by
BMW.
And BMW, yeah. And this by far, I think, has the best price to engine to quality ratio. I highly recommend this car. I don't think I could make a better choice than what I did now.
That is awesome, and we'll have some updates on this car as well. But I just want to congratulate you.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy this automobile. It is a fantastic car.